He said, Mark, I like, all right, look, this one day, right? I come in the spot. I'm like, Rich, roll up, bro. He said, roll up. I gave him a backwood. He bite that joint. I said, oh, the store closed. You want to eat my back? Oh, shot there with a Slim Jim. Cause it got the fresh aroma, vanilla taste to it. Very tasty, my brother. So yeah. All right, well, buzz back. I'm gonna kill you. I just woke up. I got a lot of energy. My name Energy for the day, man. What's up? I'm about to kill you some more. Your big ass. Bro, just show your ass though. Keep showing your ass. You hop on Facebook. They say what's on your mind. You type in. You don't really want to know what's on my mind. It ain't nothing but food items on my mind. Like, you don't have wet dreams. You have wet food dreams. You had dreams about somebody unlocking a door to Pathmark. Oh my God. Do you know what I'm about to do to aisle 11, aisle 3, aisle 4? Like, you don't know, do you? Like, you walking wrecking shit, like. Alright, for your 37th birthday, I'm gonna get you a swimming pool full of jelly beans. I wanna see what you gonna do. Is you gonna wreck for me, bro? Yeah, you gonna wreck for me? Let me see. Just show your ass. Oh, can I ask you something, bro? What would you do for a Klondike, boy? Huh? What would you do for? I always wanted to ask somebody that. You the perfect person, like you probably kill somebody for a Klondike, boy. You a hop on some duty shit. You a quick scope nigga for a Klondike. Just you sure, yeah. Jay. You see me. Daddy doing business right now. I'm about to ice this nigga. He be playing with me.
Got it on video now. You said playing with me again.
You got a nice ass, you just keep showing. Rich said, what would you do if someone's at home crying on the bedroom floor because I'm hungry? Yeah. He said, what would I do without food? I only think about food. You know I'm tired of being lonely. Now with them wings cause I'm hungry. Yeah, you and I, a 10 for a 10, apple pie for a pie. Yeah, you know my stomach gonna cry if you leave me hungry. I thought you was gonna say my stomach gonna cry. You said I want a cheese curl, baby. Alone might break me, and I don't wanna go crazy. But them cheesecakes is crazy, baby.
Yo.
He said, yeah, I took it to apple pie, ain't mine. Watch away those tears, there'll be no more crying. Because if you feed me, I would die if you ain't with me. This baby girl, yeah, I'm hungry. What would I do without food? He's sick. I'm sure. I do this. I'm good. I don't get it. Jay, tell him stop playing me, like, you know what? Like, you mean, like, chill, like, I don't want to whip out the phone thing if you know, hey, can I bless my little brother with your favorite joke, cuz? Go ahead. Shit, I ain't gonna bless him.
I knew he was gonna say that. I hate when he do that. Yo, you do that shit all the time. You'll say something, bring it up, and then say, oh, I ain't gonna do it. Fuck you, bring it up for it.
Some more fussing addiction. That John?
Chill, see? Oh, alright.